right, good afternoon, traders. The FOMC minutes created more volatility than I remember it doing in the past. It's created an untradeable environment, so I'm going to go ahead and do the day's wrap-up. And of course, this one's going to be called Did It Bounce? This is where I left you this morning, and I gave you two scenarios. I gave you that if price wanted to come in and come back up and start laddering off of here, it was probably going to come to the London high and the overnight high to grab that liquidity, grab liquidity on both sides of the chart. The second one I gave you, let me press play and you'll hear it.
If we lose that, we're probably coming to here.
Yep, if we lose that, we're probably coming to here. So that line is somewhere here about this 46 area or something like that. I'll have to look on my real chart. So this is where I left you. And now let's just catch up and play the whole and get the whole day in there. And that's what happened. So now, it'll be interesting to see. So price did come here and bounce. Price did not come under the low and start laddering up. So we're not looking for longs. One of my traders, Johnny, and congratulations to Johnny, made a 20-pointer when he took this short right here. Took that short right there, and it was beautiful. Made 20 points on that, so congratulations, my friend. I did not take that trade. So I told my group, I said, if price comes to here and bounces and starts evidence of laddering up, where do I expect it to go? I have no clue if it'll get there, but just to bring back some of those levels, I would expect it to come back to this London overnight high and grab that, and maybe the actual overnight high, because those are so close together. So this bull bear line, ignore it. I didn't update the indicator this morning. I told everyone that I wasn't going to update it just to change these words. To me, the bull bear line was this RTH low. So that is what I expect to happen. We're going to see what happens. It's kind of cool to watch it. I am not trading. I've decided I'm out. And why am I out? That's a great question. So let's look at this. I'm going to turn on our essentials indicator. This is one of the indicators we have on while we're day trading. It throws on the VWAP for you. It throws on the current RTH low, RTH high, and halfback. This is the overnight low. This is the overnight halfback. So it's a great indicator of where am I. So let's zoom in here. One of the things we have on our indicator is an alert for 8-point candles. So I'm going to zoom into here, and you'll see how this blue is a different color than this blue. Okay, I have it set to go darker when that's an 8-point candle. Same thing on the white candles. It goes to gray when it's an 8-point candle. If it's not an 8-point candle, it's white. When we see 3 of these in a row, or 3 of these in total, I pretty much recommend you not trade. And this time you got 1, 2, 3 in a row. So for me, I'm done trading. I don't want to trade in that environment. Our levels work beautiful whenever there is rational price action. And I consider when there is 8-point candles, price action becomes irrational. So yeah, that's where I'm at. No big deal. I don't need every move. I don't need all of the move. I need some of the moves. Now today, flat out honest, I took 0 trades. I had 0 trades. I missed one that I should not have missed. I traded beyond my stopping time, number 1, because I loved where we were on the chart. I love that we came to this strong level and bounced, and I wanted to be able to play the laddering back up to here. I want to be able to be in this trade to here. That's my goal now. That's where I think price is headed. Now, do I know it's going to go there for sure? Absolutely not. I'm pretty good, though, at putting places where price is going to bounce and where price is most likely going to be attracted to go. That doesn't mean it will. We trade the trend. We trade the candles. We trade location. So let me give you an example of that. So obviously, from here, we're laddering down, right? if you're going to draw out a trend line, it's this, right? And the play is short or flat. And I was telling my traders that. I said, trend tells me short or flat. Trade location, at the bottom down here, tells me to be looking for longs. To be looking for longs now. It was short all the way till we got here. And now, based off of trade location, even though we're laddering down, I'm looking for longs. I missed the perfect 1 minute long here. So if you're in my group and you want an exercise, come into this area right here, drop to a 1 minute time frame, and find the long I missed and post it in the trading group. And I'll tell you if it was right or wrong, and give you any kind of feedback. So this is really interesting to see. So ES just took out its high. Let's do something real quick. Let's go check everybody else out. And this is how I watch everybody else out. I have these white lines denote yesterday's low, yesterday's high, and yesterday's halfback. And I typically like to put the halfbacks right in line. Sometimes I move them around based off what's happening. So we put these halfback in lines. Where is everyone in relation to yesterday? Well, Russell is way under yesterday's low. And Dow has been under here a couple times and keeps going back up. NQ keeps flirting with it, We keep flirting with it. We just went over and now come back in. So the thing I'm looking for here is everyone on the same train. Is everyone on the same train heading the same direction? The answer is no. So at this point, I put us in balance. Either shorts or longs are appropriate at this time. You just want to make sure you have good clearance, and you want to make sure you have good trade location. And that's one of the purposes of our Zoom, is to help you understand that trend. Which trade should we be looking for based off trend and trade location? So fantastic day for the group. I'm flat, no big deal. You don't need to trade every single day. Day trading is not about trading every day, all day. It's about not holding overnight risk. It's about getting in and getting out at good trade locations with trend, with clean, clear, crisp bounce levels. If you want to learn how we do that, check us out at microstrader.com.
Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.